Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 and in this video I'm going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to get our Dolby On from Play Store. So I'm gonna open Play Store and here we have to search for Dolby On. Now we can install the app. Now we can open. Here we can skip. We don't have to create account. And now we can record audio with way better quality than the default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.